Kung lahat ng parking lot sa Manila ganito, we could save a lot of... Hey guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Palawan. To be specific, I am here in Robinsons, Palawan, and I can see the most innovative parking lot because of the roof. Nakita niyo ba yan? Kung lahat ng parking lot sa Manila ganito, we could save a lot of fuel, energy, rising costs of all of these things, and mapapasa na lang yan lahat sa renewable energy sources like solar panels. Palawan is quite surprising. I didn't see this before. I don't know if matagal na to dito, but this is so nice. Sana lahat ng parking lot sa Manila gumaya na. Can you imagine? We would have unlimited access to electricity only if our government would push for it. And syempre, private corporations as well. So props to Robinsons Palawan.